Gang, I am back with another video. I am back again. What's up? How are you? I'm back. Obviously, I am not doing a vlog. I am sitting down with you guys up close and personal. I'm gonna let you guys know why I'm sitting up close and personal with you guys today for this look right here. You know, right here. You can use this when you wear a nice black outfit and you just need something to pop in the face. That's what I did. Okay, that's what I did, and it works great. I'm just gonna show you guys how I got this look right here. If you would like to find out, just keep watching and let's move into the video. Cue the intro.
I'm Brizzy, nice to meet you. Who are y'all? I hate to pass it to my y'all.
So I'm gonna cover up some dark marks that I have left over using some NYX concealer that I have, and also use a beauty blender to blend this in. Next, I'm going to take my two NYX Total Control foundations and mix them together to get my color. Just blend that in as well. Make sure you blend that neck in, you know. Okay, so I poke myself in the eye, but you know I'm a real G, so you know we recover. Moving on, I'm going to prime my eyes using some NYX, the same NYX concealer I use on the other for my dark marks. Just blend that in with my fingers. And I'm going to take this Sunset Boulevard eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use the two red and purplish colors to do my crease and my eyes. So I'm going to take the red color and just get the base. And then I'm going to go into the crease with the purple. And you know, just blend that in. Get it how you got to get it. Take your time. That's all you can do. Okay, so 2 years later, we're moving on to another part of this. I'm going to take the same NYX concealer and kind of make a cut crease. Or it's not really going to be a cut crease. It's just going to be a base for the colors that we're going to put on our actual eyelid. You know. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to fix it up later because it looks a hot mess right now. But you know. So I'm gonna get the concealer some time to dry, so I'm gonna move into my eyebrows. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay setting spray and spray it into my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and just go ahead and do that. I do that because it makes it easier to actually like put on versus it being like chalk, you know? Because like, girl. Yes, make sure you brush them eyebrows out, you know. Next, we are going to go back to my eyes and actually get this done. So we're going to spray some setting spray on this brush and take the purple glitter color, put it on my outer corner, and then I'm going to take the red glitter color and put it on the middle of my eyelid. And then there's a champagne pinkish color that I'm going to put on my on the what is it called? Oh, on the in the corner of my eye / tear duct. Okay, so now we're about to conceal. Don't feel and conceal for those sleepless, restless nights you be having. You know, get them out of the way. Go ahead and blend that in, girl. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and just set that under eye everywhere I just put that concealer. Next, you already know we're going to contour and bring them cheekbones to life because, you know, a girl got chubby cheeks, so I got to improvise. Dang, that's pretty harsh, girl. You got to blend it. Look, she knew. Okay, so 10 hours later, I am still blending. But next we're gonna take this L'Oreal don't even know what kind of thing this is, but it has a contour color in there. So we're going to take this contour powder and just set everywhere I just put that contour at, because a girl is oily and I need this makeup to stay, basically. You want this makeup to stay. Next, we're going to set the face. Spray, spray, spray. Yes, yes. And take this brush and this Fenty Beauty and get the poppin'. Just go ahead and pop. Go ahead and glow. Yes. Look. Ow. Yes. Pop. P-A-W-P. Okay, so after messing with this highlight for 2 years, we're going to move on to mascara and use this MAC mascara that I don't even know the name of it. You're so clumsy. Get it together. Fix it. Okay. Moving on. So we're going to coat our eyelashes. I'm sorry I don't know the name of this mascara. I've had it for so long, but it's popping. Like the bristles, the brush is very good. It makes sure that your eyelashes be popping. I look like I got falsies on, but you know, I was just blessed with this. Look at that, the difference when I coat it. Anyway, let's speed this on up because it's gonna take forever. I mean, I'm gonna take forever. So next, I'm gonna take this eyeliner that I also don't know the name of, but it's a drugstore eyeliner. I think it's Revlon, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my waterline. Yep. And then I'm gonna draw on a fake little cat eye because I can't really do eyeliner, so this is just gonna have to cut it. You live and you learn. I have not learned yet, so we're gonna go ahead and go with this. And lastly, you're gonna get some Kiko lip gloss because you know your lip gloss be popping. It's a look, okay? End of discussion. It's a look. Give me my coin. Give me. Run me my money. Just gotta blend it out a little bit. That's all. That's it. That's all. And then so just keep popping. But like I was saying, I tried to do the thing that the beauty gurus do, where they put the highlight on their Cupid's bow, but I end up looking like I have like a little mustache. So that was gone, canceled. So because I cannot sign this video off like I do any other vlog, I gotta change it up a little bit. So peace out, stay lit, and see you in the next video, gang.